Hi everyone, welcome again to another Teacher Joseph podcast. I'm just walking into the Christmas Winter Wonderland in Glasgow, and do you agree it looks a little bit Chinese just because of that roofed mini Dutch pancake house directly in front of me. This is right next to the subway station that you can see there. But let's have a look at the mini Dutch pancakes first, because I'm sure they are delicious. Let's have a look. And then we'll have a wander around. Now, if you're describing things, especially if you're doing the IELTS, you don't want to just use the present tense. Mini Dutch pancakes. Classic pancakes, oh, £8. Oh no. Oh, Nutella delicious. Oreo explosion, £9. No, it's a little bit too pricey for me, but you must admit there is something very Chinese about the roof of this. Anyway, this is the Christmas Winter Wonderland, so let's have a little look around. Personalised Christmas decorations there, and salt and chili chicken. Oh, delicious. Well, that looks lovely, doesn't it? Let's see what else they have. Okay, a lot of food here so far. EFES Turkish cuisine. Oh, that doesn't sound very Christmassy, does it? Of course, they have the pub garden here. It's called the Winter Hub. That's very important for Scottish people, of course. What's this? Something here that says churros baby. Well, I remember them from Spain. They're delicious. Churros. They're vegan. Today is special, and so are you. Delicious. Okay, remember that you need to use a little bit more than just the present tense if you're doing the exam, okay? Comparatives. Unlike last year, unlike other markets, this one is full of food. Look at this, chocolate kisses. Oh, duck wraps. Oh, delicious. Spring rolls. Duck loaded fries. I don't know what they are, but looking good. And Papa's hot mulled wine. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Yeah, except for the fact that everything seems to be about food and alcohol. Crispy pork crackling. Ew. No, thank you. I never understood what toad in the hole actually is. I've heard of people talking about it, but I don't know. What's this? Oh, finally, a place without food. Shoulder buddies. I would like a shoulder buddy. What's that? I wonder. Oh, it's toys. Oh, interesting. I would never have guessed. Okay. Freshly made coffee and donuts from Dubai. Nice. Hats. Beautiful, yeah. Chocolate and strawberries. Ugh. No, thank you. Mediterranean olives. Yeah. Oh, jewellery. Oh, lovely. And some signs there. Associated with football. More food. Marshmallow toasting station. Yeah, I'm kind of seeing a pattern here. Everything is regarding food, isn't it? Yeah, so as I was telling you, you don't want to just start talking about the present tense. At least get a comparative in there compared to other markets, a conditional. If I was going around a market in Germany, I'm sure it would look quite different. And then we have a lovely wheel. Beautiful. Wow. Yeah, it's just like the one they have in London. Well, smaller, not covered, colder, but anyway, similar. Yeah, solar wheel, das nachhaltig Riesenrad. No idea what that means, but anyway. Yeah, and that's basically it. A little thing for kids, a balloon ride. Really annoying Christmas music. I'll get out of here before Mariah Carey comes. And I'm right next to the metro station, the subway as it's called here. A very cold day. We're all wearing hats and gloves and scarves. I'll be running into Tesco in a moment for shelter. Maybe to buy some real food that isn't going to cost me a fortune. Other grammar you could use to describe this, well, if you had someone with you, you could say my grandmother said or says, or it's the kind of place my grandmother would have liked if you want to use something more elaborate. But definitely comparatives, reported speech, conditionals, you're really aiming for these. Passive voice, maybe it is said that Glasgow always has a rubbish Christmas market. Yeah. Yeah, I can't believe this is it. I mean, is that it? Just like back-to-back food. It's a bit wrong, isn't it? Let's go up this way. Oh, there's more. Oh, delicious. What's this? Oh, this is a place for kids to play in the snow. Except that it probably isn't snow. £15 entry. Oh no. No, really. £15. No thank you. I wonder how long they get. £15 apparently includes up to 6 people. Yeah, but what if you only want one? Oh, it includes a photo. Oh, that's nice. Oh, delicious. What's this? Oh, very nice, huh? Looks beautiful. Oh, here's a place that isn't selling food. Diaries. Notebooks even. Oh yeah, looks like it's Mediterranean. Or Arab, perhaps. Beautiful keyrings there as well. Oh, with silver, dialects, dogs, Christmassy ones. Very nice. What else do we have? The owners are all staring at me suspiciously. That just proves something. I don't know what, but from the olive tree. Oh, nice. Oh, I love those things. And here's more Christmas decorations for the tree. Oh, lovely. That I think is whiskey. Yeah. Okay, well, we can hurry on past that. Well, there's that Dubai coffee and donuts thing again. Delicious. Right, so I'm back to the beginning. So let me walk around the block again before I say my goodbyes. I don't understand why it's all about food and alcohol. I know the Scottish government have declared a state of emergency regarding the alcohol abuse here in the city. Oh, not only in the city, in this country. But I really don't get the whole food thing. Everyone's grossly overweight, even me, to the point that I have diabetes. But I don't understand why you would have a Christmas market selling nothing but food. I think, and I'm just guessing, okay, the people are just bored. They have nothing else to think about. I mean, we're what, a month before Christmas? More than a month. I mean, look at this. Join us for Christmas. Breakfast served 10 to 12. Everything here is designed to distract you. So, yeah. Look at this cheesy like never before. An advert for Taco Bell, which is a shop around the corner. Well, this is all making me hungry, so I'm going to go and buy a sandwich. I'm not giving them the cash here because it's too expensive. Do you know, this used to be a train station. When I was a boy, this wasn't a shopping centre over there. It was actually a train station. They preserved bits of it. The top part was the station. I think there was a hotel in there as well. The ticket office is still there, you can see. Hard to imagine. And that's a bit of history regarding Glasgow. Well, see you all. Enjoy your day. Bye.